Question 5 is a turtle question, and we start off with some initialization statements, the first one being the line of code to actually import the turtle module. The second one, we're setting the S variable equal to the screen object, and then T, we're setting equal to the turtle object. And now I hate the turtle questions a lot. I always get confused with them, and that's why I draw my turtle object as this harpoon. And this helps me know which way is forward, as well as I use this harpoon side of the arrow to distinguish the right side. And this is always the right side. And that way, no matter how they ask me to turn it or how I have to go through the problem, I always know that this is forward and this is right, and it really helps you make sense of what's going on. The next statement is the for loop. So let's break that down real quick. It's for I in range 2. That means throughout this problem, I can possibly take on the values of 0 and 1. And I like to write them right over there next to the range. It makes it really easy to know what values I should take on next. So first iteration, I is going to be 0. And we're going to do t.forward 100. So that's this right here. Moving 100 units forward. And we're going to stop. We're going to do t.right 90. The harpoon side is the right side, so that's going to be the direction we turn into. And we're going to go 90 degrees to that right side. And then finally, we're going to do t.forward 100. And this is how we end up. We finished our first iteration, so let's cross out the 0. Next time through, I is going to be 1. And we're going to do t.forward 100 again. Here we go. T.right 90. The harpoon side is the right side. So that's where we're going to turn into. And then finally, t.forward 100. Cross out the 1. There's no more values for I to take on, so the for loop must be done. And looking at this, we could see it's 3 sides of a square. If you don't notice that too much, imagine yourself going through this for loop a few more times, going forward 100, turning right 90, and then going forward 100 again, going forward 100 again, turning right 90, and then going forward 100 again. And you'll notice that the shape we have is a square, but the part that we're concerned with is only the blue part, because that's the part that the code drew. And that's why our answer will be 3 sides of a square.